What's up, everybody? It's been a while since I've done a vlog, and I've done a few videos, and with the stuff that's going on in the world right now, obviously it's difficult to create content, and I don't force content. Hopefully you guys noticed that. But I have been practicing. I don't even want to say practicing. I've been doing these videos of like cinematic rollers and working with my buddy Beto. Go check out his page. I'll put it up here. He's an amazing drone pilot. You guys seen him on my page if you followed me for some time. But I wanted to get out and do something a little different today. Put my face in front of the camera, which I don't enjoy doing, but I'm gonna do it. There is a little bit of car stuff going on as things open up. We wanna be safe, we wanna be smart, and I wanna take this thing out. I feel like it's been too long since I've driven my car. It sits, I drive it around the block every now and then, and I just wanna drive it today. So I'm gonna go down to Ted's. There's a little cruise that's happening, so maybe I'll vlog some of the cruise, socially distant cruising. We won't be getting out of the car or anything like that. Just want to be safe. I have my mask, and we'll go down to the guy Ted who does all my performance upgrades and see if we can see what's down there. So a little bit of a day in the life of Plain Jane Cars, even though we're still in the midst of a pandemic. We want to do it safely. And actually, I'm finishing my garage, doing some work in here too. It feels like a never-ending project, but I'm tired of my garage not being finished. Weird thing, in my neighborhood, when they built these homes, since they're detached garages, they are not finished. So they don't have sheetrock up, and this looks a mess. So I've always wanted a nice garage. So I'm working on that too. Hopefully later on tonight, I won't vlog that, but later on tonight, me and my son will be back in the garage doing some work, maybe finish up at least the rough work tomorrow. But anyway, hopefully you enjoy this vlog. I think it'll be interesting. And of course, you'll see some pretty cool cars. Hey y'all, a little moment of laziness. Normally I only let A1 Auto Works wash my car, but I'm so lazy, and those guys are so busy right now that I just brought it to my local car wash that does a hand wash. The car hasn't even really been driven, and I don't know if you guys have weekend cars like I do, but it is irritating how you never really drive the car and it still gets filthy just from sitting in the garage and gets covered with dust. So I thought, might as well get it cleaned, and the wheels, keeping these gold wheels clean is next to impossible. I don't feel bad for people that have white wheels because this struggle is real. And if you guys are familiar with BMWs, the brake dust is epic. I have a friend who literally got carbon ceramics, and one of the biggest selling points on the carbon ceramics was he didn't have to deal with the constant brake dust. So we're here, hopefully it's done real quick, and we're gonna be there with the guys for a quick cruise. So I got good news and bad news. Good news first, the car is immaculate. The place I went to that's down the street from where I live actually did a pretty good job. I'm not gonna use them again because here's the bad news. They told me 20 minutes, it took a little over an hour. And the car really wasn't that dirty. I guess I did ask for a hand wash. I'm not sending my car through the machine. And I still have to do the inner barrels. Nobody seems to clean the inner barrels of my wheels the way I like them. As you can see, you look in there, you can still see it's filthy. But I had to fill up with gas anyway, so while I'm filling up with gas, I'm actually gonna clean the inner barrels of my wheels, and we'll just head straight down to Ted. He always has something cool there, so we'll see what they got. Sorry about the cruise, guys, but an unexpected sequence in the vlog. No cruise today. We'll still get some cruise stuff. My other buddy from Colleen, you guys saw some videos that I did of him last week. He'll be coming in, and he's actually gonna get some work done by Ted, having a very small issue with the car, so you just want to get it lined out. So we'll do some cruising, probably just the two of us. But anyway, we will fuel up, clean wheels, see you at Ted's. We just made it out Ted's, and I'm gonna start you with some light work real quick. Most people go to car shows to see these kind of cars. This is just what Ted's working on. No, it's not a GT3, but it's still mean. I almost bought one of these. This is a Rebel for a second, but I wanted that diesel so bad I had to get the Cummins. But peep this lineup. Now I parked my car there just cause it's special to me, but oh Lord, look at this. Come on. Got 2 spaceships. Now, I love one of these. Actually, maybe in 30 years, when I'm 70, I would cop one. But right now, I'm too young for one. This, on the other hand, though, sheesh. My Lord, this thing is gorgeous. So I just pop up, he ain't know I was coming, and look what I run into. Ooh, God. You gotta be kidding me. Widebody GR on Volks, and this is a Pandem kit. Not on the ground. Even got the interior. Look at this. So my boy James, he came to get a smoke test done on this car, and Ted, being the cool guy he is, actually gonna squeeze him in. This dude is always so busy. But that Supra just made me a fan of Supras. That is beautiful. Wide body, pure turbos, the interior. I gotta get a shot of this interior for you guys. Check this interior out, man. God, it's so gorgeous. So my guy Limbo RS hit me up. Adam's super cool. He's actually gonna give me some tips on editing. I started dabbling a little bit in stills. I'm actually gonna put some stills of the Supra in the vlog. And I am not a photographer, nor do I really want to be. But I'll watch how photographers work, and I have a camera. I'm like, well, let me try it a little bit. So the vlog is developing. So we're gonna meet up with him after we get the smoke test done, and maybe take a couple pictures. I would love to take this car with me. It is an amazingly beautiful car. I'm gonna leave you guys with a couple shots of this. Next spot is some photography spots. Now the unplanned, unexpected sequence in the vlog. Yes, we have Morgan actually shooting this beautiful Supra. Check this out. I don't want to distract the man while he's at work. But we both believe this is the first wide-body Supra in Houston. Look at these seats, God. Now, I can't fit in them, I tried to, but God, they are tiny. You can tell by the space, the gap in between the console and the seat. It's huge, it's probably 2 inches. So much smaller than stock, and it's built for a small person. The owner's name is Kabir. I'll get his Instagram and put it here, but he owns an M3 and bought this, I think, yesterday. Oh my goodness. We're trying to figure out, internet, whose signature is that? See if we can get focused. Not sure who that is, but it's a signed build. Pandem wide body, crazy exhaust, has a turbo on it, obviously. Has a pure turbo, and pop the hood, Morgan, if you get in 2 pulls. And check out under this hood. Hit 2 pulls, 1 more pull. There we go. Look at that. The E-Venturi intake. I don't know if I would sacrifice my headlight, but for this, maybe. How do you drive at night, though?
You got one. It's on the driver's side.
Does he know he lives in Houston? Don't come to Precinct 5 with this. This is definitely getting a ticket. Screw not having a front plate. He's missing a whole headlight. It's an expensive headlight to be missing too, because it is, I mean, those, I think this E-Venturi has to be probably around 4,000 bucks, maybe, if not more. But yeah, this car was worth popping back on. Well, I'm glad Morgan came out to shoot some pictures of it. I'm gonna make sure Kabir gets the pictures too, but because we are shooting this car and he didn't know, but I'm sure he'll be happy with it. Super cool dude too. He actually liked my car, which surprised me. If I had this, I'd probably be pretty obnoxious because it's a gorgeous car. I have to admit, I now like Supras. I thought they looked kind of funny looking, and I just thought it was a Z4. not so much. I respect this. This is gorgeous. I don't know what's gonna happen next. This vlog is, it's all happening by itself. Day in the life of Plain Jane cars. So on my way to meet Adam, I got a little hungry, so I came to Hop Dotty. See what all the fuss is about. Everybody says this place is amazing, so I can't wait to go in. I ordered just their classic irregular fries. That's how I judge a good hamburger. None of the crazy toppings or anything like that. Just a basic burger. So it's not gonna be a food vlog. I reserve that for my Instagram. Go to Plain Jane M4 and check out Chef Black Boy RD. But I do have to eat, so I'm gonna show these guys some love. And my wife is making chicken and waffles tonight. I can't wait. But we gotta eat now. So I'll give you a little shout out what the burger looks like, and then we're gonna go meet Adam and shoot some pretty cool spots. He'll show me some new spots, and I got a spot that I wanted to shoot my car. And maybe we'll get out tonight and do a little Mexico stuff. I haven't had the car officially out for Mexico. It's not really ready yet, but we'll see. Maybe we'll see what the old Plain Jane M4 will do. Adam made it, guys. These two great cars together to me are amazing. I actually met him at Weekfest. We were parked pretty close together, and he's friends with another guy I know, DeMarlin, who's a BMW guy. But look at this RS, the cleanest one in Houston. Drop in the comments if you believe there's something cleaner than this. These are like real photographers doing real things, whereas me and Adam, we're just shooting pictures of our cars. And as you can see, they are both looking gorgeous. I'm actually looking at the reflection of both our cars in my ND filter on the camera, and they look so good, and I can see how much I'm shaking, so sorry about that. I left the gimbal home because I didn't expect to do any video shooting, but I can't get enough of this car. Sorry, I gotta get in your shot real quick. Look at this thing there. I mean, if there is a cool Ford, the Focus is one. And of course, it's cool because Ford's gonna stop making it. Look at that thing. With the Maltoon front mount. It just looks so mean. Sorry if there's so much wind in the phone, but I love this car. And he took off his carbon fiber lip. I can't wait till he gets another lip on this thing. We're gonna take a couple pictures. I'll throw some of the stills that we take of the cars in here. And I think we got a couple more spots that we're gonna go to after this one. Oh guys, at the end of this video, I'm gonna put in a video, my reaction video of Ted taking me for a ride in his brother Ned's GT2 RS. Oh my goodness. Brutal speed. I always watch these reaction videos on YouTube. I'm like, come on guys, it can't be that fast. Nah, he scared me. And I was so afraid. When he did the first 2 or 3 pulls, I forgot to record. Then I picked up my camera. Actually, I did it on my phone. I did a couple pulls, like reactions. And then he did donuts, but I was so discombobulated. I never picked my phone back up. I was like, really, I was fearing for my life. And him driving crazy in a $400,000 car. I'm like, this guy's nuts. But he's a good driver. So I'll put my reaction video in here. I want a GT2 RS. Do you guys see Houston? Look at Houston. There are so many photogenic, untouched places in Houston. And even I call it ugly, but man, Houston is gorgeous. Check this out real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. We're actually, I don't even know. This may be the Buffalo Bayou, I assume. The brand new running trails and stuff. Houston's definitely trying to reinvent itself, but look at that. Come on. That's gorgeous, man. Look at Adam's car, man. Sheesh. That Limbo RS. That thing is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. If I could, I would actually vlog more often. But with all the stuff that's going on right now, it's just not smart. And we want to be safe and careful, obviously. And I do have a mask in the car. I've been keeping my distance. Really, Adam's the only person I've been around, even when we were at the shop. My wife so lovingly got hand sanitizer that I keep in the cars and wipes and things of that nature. Everybody, please be safe, be smart, and enjoy your cars. We build them. Gotta get out and enjoy them just a little bit. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different, like I said, than what we normally do. Maybe we'll do a little bit more of this, me vlogging some of my photo shoots. It's a pretty cool spot. We'll definitely have to be out here with the drone soon. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Peace.